Whew. Good morning, happy homeowners over here in Laguna Beach, California. And from the outside, you'd be real surprised where we're at, but we're getting ready to sand down probably 3 or 4 stories of this beautiful maple hardwood flooring. It's like the floor upstairs, downstairs. We got these crazy steps we're gonna have to take off and refinish and then reinstall. But let me take you inside, show you what we got going on. Oh, get my glasses on here. Got our own private little walkway. We're gonna be here for at least 2 weeks, but it's not gonna be a bad view for 2 weeks. Show you the view before I show you the floor. Got our own private little beach. But we've got layers of levels, and we're starting in the master bedroom, a couple of guest rooms upstairs, and then we'll work our way downstairs. But we'll be getting to this later. Doing these steps, doing all the steps, but kind of show you, you can see this discolorization. So that's from the bleaching over the years. And before they sold the house last year, they tried to touch it up and hide it. Did an okay job. We're gonna fix that. You can see these boards, see how they're different. We're gonna fix that. You can see that's supposed to be the same color. The sun has bleached it. So we're gonna sand all of this, probably starting next week. The rest of this week we'll be upstairs doing these steps in bedrooms. So all of these steps and all the floor here leads to the master bedroom, guest bedroom, and guest bedroom. So it's solid 3/4 inch maple, and you don't want to wake up and see that every day. And once we sand it down, we're going to stain it just a real light cinnamon color. Draping everything with plastic, get some better light. You can see, so the maple just yellows. And you can see this color here that they've done on the panel. We're going to kind of go in that direction. Whew. So it's not going to be a huge drastic change, but there is going to be a difference. That's going to be that warm cinnamon color. It's just a lot of hand work, and got to take your time on these things. So all right, guys, look forward to sharing this with you later on. Enjoy the day. If you have any questions, leave us in the comments. If you want a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Wood Floors, reach out to us. We'll make sure you get a copy of that. Thanks, guys.